Hello everybody, and welcome to a new game that I will be playing on the channel. I literally know nothing about this. I just saw two pictures of it and I said, that's definitely something I would like to play, so we're gonna play the Nameless Cat. Ooh. I think I'm dead. Hey there. Can you see me? Oh, nice. You didn't fall into that nasty bug pile. I would hate to have to clean my body again. This seems odd. Could you not speak? This is the first time this has happened. Well, think on the bright side. At least you won't find yourself in an argument. Now, let's move to somewhere else first. Moving. I am a cat. Yes, I am. Yes, I am a cat. Yes. What is that? Can I have it? Am I allowed to have that? Apparently no, I'm not actually. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Good news. According to the manual here, the fix for the situation is to use... Let's try it out. I can now hear the voice inside your head. You're thinking now. You're thinking how to get out of here. Who am I? And how to shut me up. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. Hello, I'm the caretaker of this world. Don't worry. To leave this world is easy. Once you return home, you can return home once you've collected all the little white orbs in this world. Up. Also, yes, that makes complete logical sense. I collect orbs and then I go home. My favorite. Can I get this can of yum? Yes, I can. Whee! I found the little white orb. So happy. You're asking what was the white orb you touched? It is the form of the treasure in your heart. You can touch to collect the white orbs. Usually it will take you to somewhere near the next white orb. Oh, and others actually can't see your treasure. Which is why I don't know if that was a snowball or a treasure. Oh, unless you're an idiot and you can't tell the difference. I'm just joking. Here, catch this. I just shared some of my power with you. It can help you get through dangerous areas. Whenever you see an arrow appear above an object, that's when you can use the special button to interact with it. Oh, my time is up. I'm going home now to feed my pets. Bye. And then I never saw that strange little orb ever again. The end. Well, this sounds like a great game so far. Also, I don't know how to jump. Oh, I interacted with object and then it kind of just... Wow. That is how you collect food. So it's just like a teleport system. Cool. And Snow Valley. Okay, and then I can just go through the wall entirely. Awesome. Ooh, block. I do like block. I think I'm gonna go back down here and grab this. Or not. Yes. I found another orb. Yay. I'm sorry, I kinda had to go back to the first level and grab that. And now we're back on the main path. Awesome. I don't know why in the world I jumped this then. There's actually any way for me to go up there yet? Probably not. Ooh, there's one of those cool teleport things over there. Awesome. Oh, it's Big Squid Man. Hey, kitty. Look at your tiny legs. It's impossible to jump over this canyon. I recommend you not to try it. Too many ignorant tiny legs have lost their ways to this canyon. But I'm such a kind person, I stayed here especially to warn you. Of course, I did this kind act out of my own will, so no need to thank me. Bruh. Well, bye. I didn't break my legs. I got the food. Yay, now I won't starve. Welp, I just jumped right over the canyon without even having to try. Also, yeah, I'm gonna come back for that. Box. And that's how you beat a level, kids. Trap! I sure do love traps. Oh. Just kidding. Okay, so being inside of here is like a safe place, so the trap doesn't hurt me.
Oh, it's such a cute little kitten. My name's Nora. What a big snowstorm, huh? It's difficult to travel in this weather. Although this church has blocked out most of the snow. But if you're not careful, you can still get lost in here. Trapped by the deadly booby traps and monsters. But treasure hunting is worth any risk. Are you also seeking for the treasure? Wow, cool. We're both adventurers. Let me know if you need anything.
Well, that was a nice person. Wow, I did that. And it was worth it, actually, because I really wanted food. And now we're on more trap. Oh my goodness gracious, this cat has hops. Amazing. I knew there was going to be something up there. Well, that was a complete waste of my time. Also, now I have to do all that all over again, so that's very pleasant. Ooh, there's a checkpoint. Ooh, it's Mr. Jellyfish. Hi. I didn't think we'd meet again so soon. Did you know? That canyon wasn't very dangerous after all. You could simply jump over it. But the platforms ahead looked dangerous indeed. I would advise you not to cross. Of course, being such a nice animal like me, I do this kind act for my heart. And yeah.